Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to get animated wallpaper on PC Windows 11. Animated wallpapers can make your Windows 11 desktop look more dynamic and visually appealing. Instead of a static background, you can use moving or interactive wallpapers. This guide will show you how to set up animated wallpapers on your Windows PC. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and make sure to connect to the internet. Open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Search for Lively Wallpaper. Click the app and select Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Open the Lively Wallpaper app by clicking Open. Browse the available animated wallpapers in the library. Click on a wallpaper to preview and to apply it directly to your desktop. Go to Settings in the app and go to Adjust. Here, adjust performance and quality. Go to the General and enable Start with Windows if you want it to run automatically. You can also add your own videos or GIFs as wallpapers by clicking the plus button. Then click Choose a file, then find and click on the GIF file you want to make as a wallpaper. Click OK to confirm and enjoy your animated desktop background. Tip: you can also use Wallpaper Engine from Steam for more advanced and interactive wallpapers. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.